recommends to the president, reports, whatever, remove him. He's removed. Now, naturally, when he filed the petition, he's already stand retired.
That's right.
So I don't think the date would there be, he has got no way to vindicate his honor.
There has to be a way. There has to be a way.
Basically, you are saying one way is no, too bad, whether the Supreme Judicial Council inquired into the matter or not. I mean, whether we agree with the findings of the Supreme Court, that's a separate matter. One is at least inquire into the matter. Okay, I may have a higher level of proof, another may be lower, but leaving those technicalities aside, basic inquiry has to be conducted of some form or the other.
Absolutely.
I mean, whether it has to be in accordance with the Qanun-e-Shahadat or...
No, it's the Constitution requires so. I mean, a judge cannot be removed without inquiry.
Are judges entitled to fundamental rights or not?
Absolutely. I mean, it is at the heart of independence of judiciary. Absolutely. Absolutely. At the heart of independence of judiciary has
उसका solution क्या है फिर?
So इसका solution to my mind
आप
is
कह रहे हैं कि इसको क्लब करें उस केस के साथ?
उसको overturn करना जरूरी होगा because that would then settle the law. Because in this case, obviously there was a substantial period of time when the petitioner was removed.
लेकिन बात कहाँ से कहाँ connect हो जाती है?
And his
nobody could have thought this would connect there.
So 3 years. So if he had 3 years to a service left.
No, like I said, suppose he had only 1 day left.
Yes. So in that hypothetical,
I mean,
then obviously,
I don't think that's really crucial aspect.
So in that hypothetical, which my lord has just pointed out, I think it is necessary that that point is settled. That the point is settled that even if he stands retired and attains age of superannuation, the matter can still be revisited by.
But that delay we are accountable for in this particular case. Because it's proceeded so long. We can't fault the petitioner on that.
Oh, absolutely not. Nobody can.
So, कितनी hearings हो गई थी इसमें?
बेशुमार सर, many hearings.
हमने कितनी दफा सुना?
Last hearing was.
मैंने कहा आपका इल्जाम हम पे तो नहीं है, हमने कितनी दफा सुना इस केस को?
तीसरी सर। मैं आपको ऑर्डर शीट दिखाऊं।
ये दूसरी दफा है, हम मेरे साथी याद दिला रहे।
But we are responsible for our seniors.
अक्टूबर 2018 में ये पिटीशन फाइल। 2018
नहीं, वो क्योंकि वो पार्टी नहीं बनाया था ना, उसमें भी टाइम लगा। वो आपका कसूर था खान साहब, थोड़ा हमारा कसूर था, मगर वो आपका कसूर था, मान लीजिए। क्योंकि आपने allegations लगाई थी against people who were not before us, so we had to give them a notice. So that goes in your. We don't accept responsibility for that.
But the question that even shows that this was a case.
Wasim Sajjad sahab, can we benefit by your acumen? Have you been following what we are talking about? What is your view? Can it be remanded to the Supreme Judicial Council or not?
But actually, I haven't studied this matter. I wouldn't like to make a comment without going through studying it properly, because it's an important question. But I would say that the Supreme Court of Pakistan is the highest court, and there's nothing in the Constitution which prevents it from remanding the case back to the Judicial Council. But as I said, I would like to study the matter further. Once a matter before your lordship also has the power to do complete justice under Article 187. So there is no impediment.
आपकी अपील कब लगी है?
My lord, filed earlier today. I think it will hopefully be numbered today. And once it is numbered, I think it can be fixed whenever the office fixes it.
The point that you want to say at this juncture? Anyone, any of the council or?
This is one of the exceptional cases. Earlier cases, like Justice Shaukat Ali's case, there was a detailed inquiry held. And after that, the Supreme Judicial Council submitted to the President to remove him. There have been even earlier cases, Ikhlaq Hussein's case, where inquiry was held. This is the first case of its nature where no Supreme Judicial Council did not hold any inquiry into the allegations. So therefore, my submission is this goes right against the independence of...
No, can you cite those cases, the earlier cases?
The earlier
where
cases.
inquiries were held?
One is Justice Shaukat Ali's case is PLD 1971 Supreme Court.
1971 Supreme Court,
Page 585.
585. And here you are saying the Supreme Judicial Council did hold inquiry.
Hold a very lengthy inquiry, some 80 witnesses and so on. So
Recommended the judge's removal.
remove.
In the next case is, this is Justice Shaukat Ali.
Earlier case was Justice Ikhlaq Hussein's case, PLD 1960 Supreme Court. Yeah, what page there are 26 perhaps.
जी
अच्छा उसमें
नहीं वो पेज नंबर अखलाक हुसैन हम ढूंढ लेंगे चलें खैर अगला वाला बताते हैं कोई और भी केस है
ये दो केसेस हैं जहां पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज वाज रिमूव्ड आफ्टर ड्यू इंक्वायरी। अब सर एक और बात 1956 का मैंने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एग्जाम देखा है, उसमें कहीं इंक्वायरी की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं थी एज सच, बट inquiry was held.
Which was that provision of 56 Constitution, which article?
Earlier article was 128.
128.
Under the 60.
Article 128, Supreme Judicial Council, which did not specifically mention the word
No,
inquiry.
it mentioned inquiry. Article 128 was in the same terms as Article 209. But I'm talking about 1956 Constitution. Under the 1956 Constitution,
किसमें नहीं था?
ये इसमें नहीं था अखलाक हुसैन वाले केस में। Before inquiry and preliminary hearing होती है under the
Were you, was the petitioner alone or was he assisted?
I was with him.
क्या हुआ था? बताएं क्या हुआ था उस दिन?
उसमें यही क्वेश्चन हुआ कि ये क्या स्पीच की है आपने? Okay, we made a speech which we
नहीं वो ठीक है बस so it was a casual formal meeting what वो charge frame हुआ आपके खिलाफ क्या
कोई
हुआ?
चार्ज फ्रेम नहीं है, कोई चार्ज फ्रेम नहीं है, बल्कि इससे पहले
No, we may need to see the record of the Supreme Judicial Council.
जरूर देख लीजिएगा। कोई कहा यहाँ भी कहीं रिपोर्ट में भी नहीं कहा गया कि कोई चार्ज फ्रेम हुआ है। रिपोर्ट में देख लीजिएगा ना, कहीं पर ये नहीं कहा गया कि मेरे खिलाफ कोई चार्ज फ्रेम हुआ, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ एलिगेशन दी गई जिसका मैंने जवाब देना था। नथिंग ऑफ दैट सर।
आपको कोई शो कॉज नोटिस नहीं हुआ?
शो कॉज नोटिस दिया
वो किधर है?
वो शो कॉज नोटिस
74 पे 74 of the petition.
ये जनाब पेज 42 पर रिप्रोड्यूस भी हुआ है, पेज 74 पर
इसका ये तो whereas अच्छा now you are ये पेज 75 पे आ जाइए ना, ये है ना
ये है जी पेज 75 पर। Now your lordship are hereby called upon to explain your conduct with regard to the following allegations which prima facie constitute misconduct on your part within the meaning of paragraph B